Hello there, Steve. How you doing?
Hey, Kevin, I'm doing great. It's been a little bit of time since you and I got together on one of these.
It is, but I think we've got a great seminar coming up for you all. If you enjoyed the previous two, where we talked about on-set production and then that color pipeline going into post-production, Steve, I think we've got something really exciting here.
We've got something incredibly exciting, Kevin. I have to agree with you. We have Alix Milan, who is a DIT from the UK, who has done several HDR projects.
And those projects have involved on-set monitoring of HDR. And this has really brought the storytelling aspect of the production to life without breaking the bank, by working with the post-production house and having the ability to monitor HDR on set has proved invaluable. But I don't want to steal all of his thunder. We'll have to leave something for you to listen to when we host the event.
Yeah, I think the part you talked about, though, is being able to do HDR without breaking the bank is a huge piece that we need to really, I think everybody will be interested in. When are we going to be doing this, Kevin?
Right. So we're going to be doing this live on Wednesday, March the 29th. And for those of you on the west coast of the US, it's a 9 a.m. start. For those on the east coast, it's going to be 12 noon. Here in the UK, it's going to be 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. if you're in Central Europe. So if you've already joined us on our previous sessions, you will be receiving an email invite. If, however, you haven't joined one before and you want a quick refresher and catch up, the videos are available on the Leader Europe YouTube channels and also available as audio podcasts, so you can download and listen to them while you're traveling prior to the event. If you haven't received an invite, please feel free to reach out to Steve or myself, and we'll make sure that your details are logged and you get the information of how to join us on the 29th.
We look forward to seeing you. So it's going to be a great session.
It sure is. Until the 29th, we'll see you then.
Take care, everybody.
Bye.